Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy Sunday to you, because I'm filming this video on a Sunday, hoping that it goes up today. Long time no wisdom for relationship on this channel, but today I have a wisdom for you. If you're single, you're not married, you're in a relationship, this is one wisdom for you that you should look out for. Watch out for these words in a person you want to get married to. If your reason or a person's reason for wanting to get married is that I want a person who can cook, I want a person who can wash my clothes, I want a person who will continue to foot my bills. So I have a father that has been footing my bills and now he's old, he's getting ready to retire, or I just need an odogu that would sort my bills. If this is your reason for getting married, or one of the top reasons that you want to get married, you need to check again. And so for the ladies, if this is something a guy is saying, that he sees you in the kitchen cooking and he sees you as a wife material because you can cook, or that you can wash for him, he sees you as a wife material, then you need to think again, because I feel like marriage is deeper than these things. Why do you want to get married? When you think about marriage, what comes to your mind? Is it a person that will sort your bills? Is it a father figure? Is it a woman that can cook for you? Is it a woman that can cater to you, wash your clothes, clean your house? Because you hear some people say, why will I be married and somebody else? Why will I be married and I'll be washing my clothes for myself? Why will I be married and I can't eat good meals? Yes, that is very important. And don't get me wrong, as a lady, you get married, you should be able to cook nice meals for your husband. That is something you should do. But that is not the only thing a man should go to the market looking for. Number one, it makes you know that this person doesn't have a right notion for marriage. It makes you know that this person is short-sighted. And it means this person can trade anything for food. Right? When your husband goes to work and you're afraid that the woman will give him a spoon and then he will eat and forget his family. When you hear a man say that it's food that he needs, that's why he's getting married, you should check again, because it's not even about the food alone. It's about how far this person is thinking, how deep this person's level of thought is. And then a lady that thinks that, oh, he has to have a car for me to marry him, he has to be wealthy enough, he has to be able to foot my bills, give me money to make my hair on a monthly basis, all these things. When you're in a relationship, listen to these things. When the people are talking, listen. If this is their reason for marriage, if this is something they carry in high esteem, just know that this person is short-sighted, and know that marriage is deeper than that. But I'd like to know if you think otherwise. Then as for the married people here, I want to know if this is one of the reasons you got married. Let's know if that is sustainable for your marriage, if that is enough to look forward to in a marriage, and how far is your marriage going with this notion. And then if you think that is not enough, please let us know. Let the single people know in the comment section if these things are really sustainable reasons enough. Because I was somewhere and the person just saw a lady cooking and just tagged her wife material, and it made me thinking, so is wife material tagged to a person in the kitchen that can cook? Is that your definition of wife material? I think that is deeper than that. I think that that is not a prerequisite for marriage. I think that marriage is a lot more deeper. Marriage has a lot of more things to look out for than who can give you good meals. Because you will eat, and after eating, what next? It's just like someone that says he wants to get married because of sex. After you have had sex, what next? So these are the very things. So watch for these words in a partner. If these are the things they're looking out for, someone that has a big butt, someone that has big boobs, someone that is slim, tall, and handsome, and that is just the only thing you're looking out for, this person might just be a short-sighted person that cannot see the future, and then you have a lifetime to live with them, because marriage is ideally for life. So a person that is thinking this short-sighted, what I can put in my belly, like Esau, and he sold his birthright, you should be very careful and wary of that person. So let's know your thoughts, guys. I have a video on this channel, I'm going to pin it down, 10 reasons not good enough to marry somebody. Please check that video out. And I have another video speaking about why you want to get married and why you really should get married. So your reason for wanting to get married and versus the reason you really should get married. These are the videos you guys will need to watch and correct your mindset and approach marriage differently. Marriage is not your job. Marriage is not your career. Marriage is not every other thing you see that you just are flimsy about. Marriage is deeper than what we look at it as or see it to be. It is deeper than that. So a person's mindset towards marriage and how a person portrays or sees a husband material or a wife material might really define who they really are and what they think about marriage, and whether you should go on that kind of a journey with them or not. So let me know your thoughts right in the comment section till I come your way again. Keep doing relationship the right way to get the right result. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.